Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best deals that I grabbed over at CVS this week. It was a great week at CVS, but I did run into a little hiccup, which never happens to me at CVS. So stay tuned to the video because I will be explaining what happened. If you are not already, I would love it if you subscribe to the channel. A little bit later today, I will also be posting my Walgreens haul for the week. So I was able to get all of these items for free and made just over $6 buying it all. So of course, I'm going to tell you exactly how I did that. The first deal that I want to tell you about is super simple. Anyone can do it, easy peasy. It's on the Sure deodorant. So you have a couple options. I think it's the Brute, I'll put it up here on the screen, or the Sure deodorant. They are priced at $2, and when you purchase one, you'll get $2 in extra care box back, making it completely free. So that's a really easy deal if you're new to couponing. Another great deal that I grabbed this week was based on a coupon I received via text message. So if you are not already signed up to get text messages from CVS, you might want to do that. I hadn't done it yet because I hate getting text messages from businesses, but CVS sends some pretty good ones. So I went ahead and went to the CVS app. On my phone towards the bottom, you'll see a button that says account. You click on that, and then you click on manage your extra care card. And then under that category, you're gonna see a place to select your text options. And I opted in to receive text messages just to see what I would get. That first week, I got a free beauty product up to $5. This week, I got a free lip balm. And so I am digging the text messages so far. And of course, you can opt out at any time, but I don't plan to since they keep sending me free stuff through text message. So free lip balm up to $5, so I could choose from a number of different items. But this week, the Nivea is on promotion for when you buy one, you get $2 in extra care box back. So it's $3.49, but when I checked out that free coupon up to $5, auto deducted $3.49, but then I got $2 in extra care box back, making it free and a $2 moneymaker. So that was a great deal. Lots of beauty deals this week. And so with the Beauty Club, for every $30 you spend, you get $3 back in extra care box. So it's like a 10%, or it is exactly a 10% benefit. You just get it every $30 you spend. So in all honesty, I am just short of $60 in beauty products this week. So I'm just short of the $6 in extra care box. I will get 3, and as soon as I spend like 50 cents, I'll get another 3. So I did go ahead and say that I'm gonna get those $6 back, making this over a $6 moneymaker haul. The other deal that I grabbed are on these Garnier Skin Active wipes. There's a few different kinds. They are all buy one, get one half off, and buy 2, get $5 in extra care box. So these here are priced at $7.79, and there were a number of different CRTs attaching to this, which is why I grabbed this one. This one's a little bit more expensive than the others, but it had more coupons attaching. And then I grabbed one of the green pack of Garnier Skin Active, and it rang up half price at $3.50. So these are the coupons I had. I had a $2 off any Garnier Skin Active digital coupon. That was a manufacturer digital. I also had printed a $2 off any Garnier Skin Active, and I'm gonna link that coupon for you in the Google document that I include. I also had 2 different CRTs for $2 off any Garnier micellar and cleansing wipes. So these were included in that. So I paid $3.29, but I got $5 in extra care box back, making this free and a $1.71 moneymaker. The next beauty deal that I did, and this is the one that had the hiccup, okay? I had a coupon, a CRT, for $6 off a $20 CoverGirl purchase. I also knew that CoverGirl was on sale this week for buy two, get $6 in extra care bucks. And there are a bunch of coupons both on the CVS app as well as on coupons.com that you can print. So I knew I would be able to find a pretty good deal, but I had to at least get to the $20 mark. So I grabbed one of the clean powders priced at $8.29. I grabbed this because I had a $3 off any face, CoverGirl Face Digital. I also had a Printable. Now I knew I could only use one of those, and so I was planning to use the digital on this one. So just keep that in mind. I then grabbed these eyebrow pencils with the sharpener. These are $6.59 at my store. This is the cheapest CoverGirl eye product. And then I grabbed the four eyeshadow kit for $6.99. Okay, so that gets me just above $20, okay? I had a $3 off CoverGirl Face Digital coupon. I had a $3 off CoverGirl Eye Digital, and then I had a $3 off CoverGirl Eye Printable that I handed the cashier. I also had the $6 off 20 CRT. Now, that would have had me pay $6.87 and get $6 in extra care bucks back, making all three of these just 87 cents or 29 cents each, and that's before I count the beauty bucks that I'll get for buying these. But for some reason, when I used that $3 printable for the eye, the $3 digital for the eye didn't come off, even though I was buying two different eye products. And when I scanned both of them, they both showed that that digital would apply. So that was confusing to me. So just if you're doing this deal, you might want to use printable coupons instead, or just make sure those coupons come off. If not, talk to them at the store about it. Honestly, I don't know why. So I don't know what was going on with that, but still a good deal, not complaining. I think that was it. Oh no, of course the shampoo and conditioner count for beauty as well. Let me tell you about that deal. I had a $4 off an $18 hair care CRT. I also had a $4 off a $25. So the one I ended up using was a 4 off of 18. I grabbed Pantene and L'Oreal together on that because that made the most sense. Let me tell you about this deal. So I grabbed two of, I still don't know how you say this. I should probably look it up since I buy it so often. Elvive, I'm gonna say Elvive. Okay, so two of these, they're 2 for $8. There is a $4 off 2 coupon from this week's Save, which is the old Retail Me Not. It's now called Save. I also had a $2 off 2 L'Oreal CRT. Everyone should be getting that this week when you scan your card at the red machine. And then I added to that the Pantene, which is 3 for $15, and you'll get a $5 extra care buck back for buying 3. Okay, so I bought 3 of these for $15. I had a $3 off 3 printable, not printable, I had a $3 off 3 from the March P&G. Well, apparently I also had a $3 off 3 digital that I had already clipped. So both of those ended up coming off. Now, that means I paid $7. I got $5 in extra care bucks back, making it $2 for all 5 of these, or 40 cents each. So that was a really good deal on these. Again, they all count towards Beauty Club, so that makes them even less expensive when you consider the beauty bucks that you're getting back. All right, next deal that I did, again, I've always called these Larabars, but I'm beginning to think it's actually pronounced a Larabar. Not sure you guys care if I pronounce things incorrectly or not. They are 88 cents a piece this week on sale. I had a CRT for $2 off any 3 of these. So I thought that was a great price because that makes it 64 cents for all 3, or just 21 cents each. And my husband will eat these. I don't think I've ever tasted them. I grabbed the peanut butter cookie. Maybe I'll have to try them this time and see if they're any good. Do y'all like these? Let me know if they're any good and if I grabbed the right one. There are a few different flavors you can grab. All right, last deal. And again, this is another deal that had a little bit of a hiccup, and I never have that with CVS. So I thought that was kind of weird, but let me tell you exactly what happened. And then maybe you can tell me why, because I haven't been able to figure it out. Okay, I combined a couple of the Crest deals this week because I had a $4 off any $20 Crest CRT. Now, the scope, the 1 liter scope, they are priced at $3.99. There is a $1 digital, so you would pay $2.99, but then you get $2 in extra care bucks back, and it's a limit of 2, so you can do the deal twice. Stay with me. This deal here is a different Crest deal of buy 3 specific Crest or Oral-B products, and you'll get $4 in extra care bucks back. So I grabbed 2 of the mouthwashes priced at $3.99. I had a $1 mouthwash, Crest mouthwash digital coupon on my card. I also had the $1 mouthwash coupon from the March P&G insert. I grabbed 2 of the Crest 3D whites. These are priced at $3.99 each. I had a $2 digital for this, as well as a $2 off from the March P&G. And then I had grabbed this Oral-B for $3.99, and I had a $2 digital for that one. So the 4 off 20 came off first. The $1 that I handed the cashier came off for the scope. The $2 off that I handed the cashier from the P&G came off for the toothpaste. The $2 came off for the digital toothpaste. The $2 came off for the Oral-B digital as well. For some reason, the digital for the second mouthwash did not come off. So I ended up paying $1 more than I should have. So that if it had come off, I would have paid $7.95 and got $8 in extra care bucks back, making it completely free. But for some reason, that $1 mouthwash coupon didn't come off. And I even looked on my P&G coupon, and it says you can use 2 of them. So even if the digital and the paper coupon were counting as the same thing, I still should have been able to use 2 of them. So that was a little bit confusing to me. But if it works the way it's supposed to work, it should be $7.95. You get $8 in extra care bucks back because you're getting 2 for this one, 2 for this one, and then 4 for buying these 3 products here. Because mine didn't work, I ended up paying $1, but they did fix it for me because it should have come off at checkout. Now, if you know another reason why it shouldn't have come off, please let me know. But as far as I can tell, I bought 2 mouthwashes. I had 2 $1 coupons for those, and I can't see any reason why it wouldn't have worked other than it just didn't work. Overall, it was a great haul at CVS. I'm just not used to having issues with them. Had it been Walgreens, I wouldn't have been surprised at all. But because it happened at CVS, I was just a little confused because normally everything goes pretty smoothly, knock on wood, at CVS. If you guys have any questions about any of these deals, please let me know down in the comments below. Of course, I have included a printable document with all the information that I've just gone over, as well as information on the cashback apps that I use. So for instance, on these Procter & Gamble products, there is a pretty neat website that's pggoodeveryday.com, and I have a link to that website on my printable document. When you scan your receipt, you get points for every Procter & Gamble product that you purchase, and then you can redeem those points for a number of different things, including gift cards. So I have been able to get a number of different gift cards just by buying Procter & Gamble products that I'm actually not even paying anything for. So it's just additional free money, which is super cool. I always also scan my receipts to the Fetch Rewards app because you're always going to get some points for scanning your receipt even if there's not a specific offer on the Fetch Rewards app. Lastly, I always scan it to coin out for the same reason. You're always going to get a little bit of money for scanning your receipt, even if there's not a specific offer on that receipt. So those are the apps that I always scan to across the board. So if you have questions on any of that, let me know. Stay tuned for my Walgreens video coming out later today. Thanks.